on the way to Rockhouse.
Speak your truth quietly and clearly, and listen to others. Even the dull and ignorant, they too have their story.
For a punch, which do you guys like to have?
Hello.
Rum punch. Thanks.
And a cold towel.
Hi, welcome.
Hi.
What name are you checking in under?
Jeana, Lindo, and Kimberly, Roach. We're here with Jamaicans.com doing the review. Say hi.
Hi.
You're enjoying the complimentary cold towel.
Definitely. So the package I gave to you, it's a little souvenir, has your Rockhouse roots and culture passport. So it's an addition passport to your passport family. If you turn to the back where you see the clip, you will find your Wi-Fi password, your activity schedule, and a map of the property. Alright. So wherever you see the blue points, this is where you access the ocean from. They're all shared. Alright. Now the main aim of your passport is to get 15 or 25 stamps. So the activities are listed around here. So any of these activities that you will do, you will get a stamp. If you can accumulate 15 stamps, you get a free gift from our boutique.
Okay,
25 stamps, you get a spa treatment. I know you're only going to be here for 2 days. So what you can do the activities, take home the passport with you, take it back on your next visit to get your 25 stamps. Alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rum punches, guys.
Right.
Ooh, what's in it?
A lot of different alcohols.
A lot of different alcohols.
Yeah. There's JB, there's white rum, and there's a fruit juice from the can. And you have your orange slice.
It's actually really good.
Alright. See?
It's a good rum punch. This is the cutest thing ever.
It is.
Bang a drum. Get your groove back in this workshop. Your daily activity schedule. Cook like a Jamaican. Oh!
We're doing that. Okay guys, so you have your keys. Enjoy your time with us, alright?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Look at all these things. Oh my gosh!
The room is great.
Look at this view! Boy! Which one is the key?
Smart.
Jeana! Let's see! Wow! Oh my god, look at this view.
That's how I feel for real.